this video you will see. Everything started with our trip to Salty Lakes, full of minerals that promised to heal both body and soul. And yes, they were wonderfully relaxing, but I also discovered a new personal talent. My derrière is apparently unsinkable. While I enjoyed spa mode, my silver jewelry had a rougher holiday. My necklace and earrings came out looking like pirate treasure, black, dull, and definitely not wearable. Time for a rescue mission. I'll be honest, I'm not the kind of person who enjoys spending hours hunched over jewelry with a tiny brush, scrubbing like a medieval servant. No, if there's a shortcut, I'm taking it. That's why I went hunting for the laziest silver cleaning tricks out there. The kind of methods that don't require fancy products, elbow grease, or patience. Just the ordinary stuff lying around at home. So, armed with my kitchen cupboard, which doubles as my experimental lab, I lined up 6 methods that promise sparkling silver with almost no effort. No scrubbing, no sweating, just a little bit of household chemistry. And here's how my 6 lazy but genius cleaning tricks performed. First up, baking soda in hot water. Normally works if you rub it, but since I wasn't rubbing, nothing happened. Next, citric acid. One of my favorite cleaners, but it needs boiling water to shine. My water wasn't hot enough, so again, no result. Then came aluminium foil, baking soda, and hot water. Science says the tarnish should jump off the silver and onto the foil. It worked partly. My necklace got cleaner, but a few stains stayed. Toothpaste. Without scrubbing, completely useless. The earring smelled minty fresh, but it didn't sparkle. Next, ammonia. Quick warning, don't sniff it and never mix it with bleach unless you fancy toxic gas, which you don't. But as silver cleaner, quite impressive. The bracelet came out bright and I even dipped the necklace again for extra shine. While the necklace was soaking, I gave a little brush with the toothpaste to the rest of the jewelry. And then did the same to the necklace after soaking in ammonia. But you can see there's still some black spots in the middle and at one of the ends of the necklace. So I was not much satisfied with the result. After rinsing the silver, I put the Chinese sterling silver bracelets into the ammonia solution. After 5 to 10 minutes, I gave them a slight brush. They definitely became brighter. After rinsing them under tap water, I was staring at the Chinese sterling silver bracelets, completely undecided about what to do next. On the point why I keep calling it Chinese sterling silver, I go into detail in my blog post under the link in the description of this video. The short version, though, Chinese sterling silver is more like the pretend cousin of real sterling silver. So there I was, torn between giving them another round of cleaning or leaving them alone. Because I had this image of scrubbing away not just the dirt, but also the lost traces of their shiny disguise. Then I went on a full-blown crime scene investigation of my real sterling silver jewelry. There they were, the usual suspects, 2 dark blotches clinging to the necklace, sneaky little offenders hiding in the corners and inside the tiny 925 stamps on the earrings, plus that rebellious sea star and its sidekick shell on the bracelet. All right, I thought. Time to roll out the heavy artillery. I lined the saucepan with foil, shiny side up, added the jewellery, salt, water, and let it all boil for about 20 minutes, topping up water and salt a couple of times. And I made up my mind with two of the most yellow Chinese sterling silver bracelets. I added them to the boiling solution too. This one worked like magic. After rinsing them, I checked all the black stains. No stains in the corners of the star. Even this one got brighter. No stains in the corner of the earrings. The stubborn black stains on my necklace? Gone. And one final tip. Never rinse jewelry over the sink. I did, and one of my favorite earrings disappeared forever. Even disassembling the whole train didn't help to find it. Here is the before and after. The light is different, but you can still see the huge transformation. So, after 6 methods, my clear winner is boiling with foil and salt, with ammonia as a solid runner up. From pirate treasure black to shiny silver again, all with no scrubbing and no expensive cleaners. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more lazy do-it-yourselves, and keep your sparkle shining.